Thomas was having very hard work. Come on, and so forward. They're folding so forward. And the driver back to the train. I'm going to the cottage. Mrs. Hungry. All the red dressing down in the middle of the window, didn't she? Almost an accident. Going quietly downstairs, they joined the group outside the remote home.
If you can't behave, I shall take away your red games. Didn't like that at all. Oh, come along, come along, falling the time. We're going to stop, we're going to stop.
Cars, buses and lorries, yes, is empty. It has see Toby, and they come by grain. They make Toby cross. Stout gentleman followed. Come, grandfather, don't look at this on me. The stout gentleman said,